Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope all of you are doing very well. So today's topic is all about different domains of artificial intelligence. So let's get started. So before starting, let's get know what is task domain and what does it do. टास्क डोमेन हेल्प्स टू सपोर्ट टास्क डेवलपमेंट मतलब ये हमें बताती है कि कौन सा काम कैसे और क्यों होता है। टास्क डोमेन के तीन पार्ट होते हैं, फर्स्ट फॉर्मल डोमेन, सेकंड एक्सपर्ट डोमेन और थर्ड मंडेन डोमेन। व्हाट डज फॉर्मल टास्क डू? इट डज सिंपल एंड लॉजिकल कैलकुलेशंस लाइक addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and all, and also we can do integration and differentiation. This kind of calculation we can do it by formal task, okay, and we can also play games via formal task, and it is used for verification and yeah, for also for proving theorems and all. And what does expert domain do? Basically it does analytical things like it does scientific analysis, medical diagnosis, financial analysis, and also it monitors on something, and it tells about the manufacturing things what is happening, and it finds the fault on something that the process or whatever the projects is happening, and also it helps in engineering works. So the third one and the last one is mundane domain. So what does it do? It perceives everything, it learns everything, it adapt everything very easily like a human being do, and for kind of language it understand the language, it translate the language, and also it helps for to know the generation of language, and also it uses common sense, and it is used for reasoning, it is used for planning, and yeah, for robotics too. Tell everyone that human learns mundane tasks very easily, and they use it since their birth. They learn by perception, by speaking, by using languages and locomotive. They learn formal and expert tasks too, but later in that order. And for human mundane tasks, what happens that the same was considered true before trying to implement mundane tasks in machines, and earlier all work of artificial intelligence was concentrated in mundane task domain. So that's all, and if you like my video, so please do hit comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.